Welcome to my channel about vistechniek, robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my ESP32 right here. It is a system on chip and currently I'm using it to control these two 7-segment displays, and in the future I hope to use those displays to display the angles in which this servo motor is running or standing. It's not that far yet, so I'm still continuing with displaying the digits, and I had to rewire the whole thing. I had to adjust the programming, and I noticed something else because I changed the computer. The old computer was really slow, new computer really fast, but that means that I have to install all software again, which I did. I won't show it because that isn't even remotely interesting for you to see, but I hope it still works out. I didn't make all the commands to show anything, so let's go to the screencast and see how everything works out. Screencast then. And well, with, as I said, a new computer, I had to copy everything using a secure copy, SCP. And then obviously I have to make sure that all tools that I use are there. So what I'm going to do next is not guaranteed to work yet. Or more appropriately said, not guaranteed yet to work. And being in the same directory, I think, as the source code, which you can find here, that working, then -p. Oh, that is not going well. -p. TTY USB 2 monitor. And if it all works out, I should be getting the whole thing that you have seen before. And that's a permission denied. So then I go back to opt, then, and that's root. Okay, yeah, because I can only use secure copy using root in this case anyway. So what I have to do, change ownership of this whole directory. And everything in it, obviously. So let's see how this works out. It doesn't. There's no change. Okay, I have to find out how to change ownership because that is very important. And then obviously recursive mode is -R. So let's do it again. And now something should have happened. Yes, although it's still root, but I'll let it be for now. So now this should be working, and it is, but it has no directory TTY USB 2. That is interesting. That means that I may have to change something. Let's see if this works out. Okay, then I change the port in which this cable is attached to. let's see what happens now. Again, okay, where is my TTY USB 2? Or is it USB 2 anyway? Does it exist? Ooh, USB 0. Oh, that's interesting. Permission denied. All right, so I need to change permission to that. Let's Ctrl-C here. Then remove the entire board, so it's now completely unconnected. Yeah, USB 0 is gone, as I kind of expected. And I think I know why. Because with this computer, USB-wise, I did disconnect some other USB cables. Let me reconnect them and see whatever happens. And that's it for now. As you can see, there's been a change in this LED with respect to the segments. One segment is not being displayed consistently, and that's strange if you regard the code. This one still not solved. This one should be solved. However, it can be a wiring issue. If you want to see everything, you'll have to watch the full video. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can also support by buying the video via Patreon and Ko-fi. You can also support via Ko-fi, just membership, and via Patreon as well, via Buy Me a Coffee and via PayPal. So up to you to support me for any amount that is allowed and available. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.